Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the pressure sensor in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top. Have an assistant help you to lift and support the front of the appliance. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws securing the washer's front panel to the base. With the screws unthreaded, remove the support, then push the panel down to fully remove. Now depress the tabs to release the pressure sensor from the out-of-balance switch bracket. Release the tab to disconnect the wire connector from the sensor. Now use the needle nose pliers to separate the hose clamp, and you can detach the old sensor from the air pressure hose. To install the new pressure sensor, first attach the air pressure hose and secure it with the clamp. Connect the wire connector to the sensor, then snap the sensor into position in the out-of-balance switch bracket and secure the wire in the notch in the bracket. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs on the panel with the slots in the frame. Then lift the panel up until the top edge aligns with the top of the frame. Support the front of the appliance. Then replace the two lower screws to secure the panel. Remove the support. Reinstall the washer's main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.